Welcome to Auto Info channel. Today we are talking about 2025 Range Rover performance. The 2025 Range Rover is a masterpiece of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. It redefines what it means to drive in elegance, offering an experience that is as exhilarating as it is refined. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the vehicle's commanding presence leaves an unforgettable impression. The sleek lines, sculpted body, and signature LED lighting create a look that is both modern and timeless. The iconic front grille, seamlessly integrated with the latest design enhancements, exudes confidence and sophistication. Every inch of the exterior is crafted to perfection, from the flush door handles to the aerodynamic silhouette that enhances efficiency and performance. Step inside and enter a world of unparalleled luxury, where the finest materials and meticulous craftsmanship create an atmosphere of absolute refinement. The seats are upholstered in premium leather, offering a level of comfort that is unmatched. Heated, ventilated, and equipped with massage functions, they provide a first-class experience for both the driver and passengers. The attention to detail is evident in every surface, from the hand-finished wood veneers to the brushed metal accents that add a touch of sophistication. Customizable ambient lighting allows you to set the perfect mood for every journey, creating an environment that is both relaxing and luxurious. The panoramic sunroof brings an abundance of natural light into the cabin, enhancing the sense of space and openness. The state-of-the-art infotainment system takes center stage, featuring a high-definition touchscreen that provides seamless control over navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. With intuitive voice commands and smartphone integration, staying connected has never been easier. The digital driver display delivers real-time information in stunning clarity, ensuring that every detail is at your fingertips without distraction. The Meridian sound system delivers concert-quality audio, transforming every drive into an immersive experience. Whether listening to your favorite music, making hands-free calls, or enjoying a podcast, the sound quality is nothing short of extraordinary. Beneath the hood, the 2025 Range Rover is powered by advanced engine options designed to deliver exceptional performance with remarkable efficiency. Whether you choose the refined V8 or the latest plug-in hybrid powertrain, you are guaranteed a driving experience that is both powerful and smooth. The intelligent all-wheel drive system adapts to changing road conditions, ensuring optimal traction and stability in any environment. Adaptive air suspension provides a ride that is incredibly smooth, gliding over imperfections with ease. The terrain response system allows you to customize the vehicle's performance for various driving conditions, ensuring maximum capability whether you're navigating city streets, highways, or rugged off-road terrain. Safety is at the forefront of the 2025 Range Rover, with an extensive suite of advanced driver assistance features that provide confidence and peace of mind. A 360-degree camera system offers a complete view of your surroundings, making parking and maneuvering effortless. Adaptive cruise control automatically adjusts speed to maintain a safe distance from other vehicles, ensuring a stress-free drive on long journeys. Lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking work together to enhance safety, preventing potential collisions before they happen. Night vision technology provides enhanced visibility in low-light conditions, ensuring that every journey is as safe as it is enjoyable. The rear cabin is designed for ultimate relaxation, featuring executive seating that offers reclining functions, personal climate control, and entertainment screens. Rear passengers can enjoy a luxurious experience with features that cater to their comfort and convenience. Active noise cancellation technology creates a serene environment, blocking out external sounds to ensure a peaceful ride. The spacious trunk offers generous cargo capacity, with power-folding rear seats that expand storage space at the touch of a button. A hands-free tailgate adds convenience, allowing for effortless loading and unloading. Customization is at the heart of the Range Rover experience, with a wide range of bespoke options that allow owners to personalize their vehicle to reflect their individual style. From exclusive exterior paint finishes to hand-stitched interior details, every element can be tailored to perfection. The Special Vehicle Operations Division offers even greater levels of exclusivity, with bespoke enhancements that take luxury to new heights. Whether it's a custom interior finish or a unique color combination, the possibilities are endless. Driving the 2025 Range Rover is an experience like no other, combining effortless power with refined control. The leather-wrapped steering wheel provides a tactile connection to the road, while the head-up display projects essential information onto the windshield, allowing the driver to stay focused without distraction. The dynamic driving modes adapt to your preferences, offering exhilarating performance when desired or a relaxed, smooth ride when preferred. The hybrid powertrain option enhances efficiency, allowing for an eco-friendly drive without compromising on power. The intelligent energy recovery system optimizes fuel consumption, making every journey more sustainable. For those with a passion for adventure, the Range Rover's off-road capabilities are second to none. Advanced traction control, water wading capability, and an array of terrain management features make it the ultimate vehicle for exploring challenging landscapes. Whether navigating through snow, climbing steep inclines, or traversing rocky terrain, the Range Rover remains poised and capable in any condition. Inside the luxurious showroom, the vehicle is displayed in an environment that complements its elegance. Polished marble floors reflect the ambient lighting, enhancing the visual appeal of the Range Rover's stunning design. The sophisticated architecture of the showroom exudes exclusivity, creating the perfect setting for showcasing this automotive masterpiece. An illuminated display on the wall proudly presents the name Elite Auto Gallery, a symbol of prestige and excellence in the world of luxury automobiles. Owning a 2025 Range Rover is more than just possessing a vehicle, it is embracing a legacy of innovation, craftsmanship, and prestige. It is a statement of success, an expression of ambition, and a commitment to excellence. Whether making a grand entrance at an event, embarking on an unforgettable road trip, or simply enjoying a drive through the city, the Range Rover ensures that every moment is defined by luxury and sophistication. It is not just a car, it is an experience, a lifestyle, and a reflection of unparalleled quality. Standing before this magnificent machine, you realize that it represents more than just transportation. It embodies a vision of the future, where technology and craftsmanship come together to create something truly extraordinary. The 2025 Range Rover is a vehicle that transcends expectations, setting new standards for automotive excellence. It is designed for those who refuse to settle for anything less than the best, for those who demand perfection in every aspect of life. The future of luxury driving has arrived, and it is waiting for you to take the wheel. The 2025 Range Rover is more than just a mode of transport, it is a journey into the extraordinary. As you run your hand along its sleek exterior, take in the exquisite details of the interior, and feel the power beneath the hood, you understand that this is not just about driving, it is about experiencing the pinnacle of automotive innovation. The road ahead is yours to explore, and there is no better way to do it than in the 2025 Range Rover. Whether cruising through city streets, venturing into the great outdoors, or arriving in style at an exclusive destination, this vehicle is designed to make every journey exceptional. It is a celebration of sophistication, performance, and innovation, created for those who appreciate the finer things in life. The name on the wall, Elite Auto Gallery, represents a legacy of luxury, a commitment to excellence, and a dedication to providing the world's most prestigious vehicles. The 2025 Range Rover stands as a testament to that vision, a masterpiece that redefines what it means to drive in absolute luxury. The journey begins now, and it is destined to be extraordinary. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.